And even before he could arrive in the United States of America, we are seeing politics over his visit that has already started in India. And this time we are getting a reaction from Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who has raked up the Manipur issue over Prime Minister's visit to the US. Listen in.
अरे यहाँ मणिपुर जल रहा है, वहाँ रेप हो रहे हैं, घर बर्बाद हो रहे हैं। मणिपुर जाने की हिम्मत नहीं हुई आपकी। आप सवाल हमको पूछते हो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या जा रहे हैं? क्या हमारे लोग कोई प्रधानमंत्री है? तो ये जो है पूछिए उनको, साहब ये यूएस बोलो वो सारा दूर तो है, मणिपुर बहुत नजदीक है आपके, जरा वहाँ जाके आओ।
Akanksha, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Akanksha, even before Prime Minister Narendra Modi could, arrive in the United States of America, we are seeing politics here within the country on this particular issue, with Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, once again bringing up his visit to Manipur.
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister has embarked on 3-day visit to the United States, and a lot of things are on agenda. But we also heard a reaction coming from another Congress leader. He has reduced this to puppy jhappi diplomacy. He said that this is puppy jhappi diplomacy and this should go beyond this. We also heard the reaction coming from the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. He has said that Prime Minister does not have time to visit Manipur, but now he is going to United States as well as other nations. As far as Nasir Hussain, who's a Congress MP, is concerned, he said that as a citizen of the country, he expects something concrete to come out of this visit, and this should not be a puppy jhappi or a hug or kiss diplomacy, is a reaction that has come from the Congress party. But contrary to the opposition party's claim, the Prime Minister will be in US. He will be meeting the president there. He will be apprising him about his meeting with the Russian president, with the Ukrainian president. He'll also be meeting with the Japanese Prime Minister as well, the French Prime Minister there in United States. So a lot of things are on agenda, and before he could even land in the United States, politics here has started with the Congress party attacking him, saying that he has no time to visit Manipur, he has no time for other states, but he has time for United States and other nation. And also Congress MP Nasir Hussain going on to say that this is merely a jhappi puppy diplomacy. Back to you.
Right. Akanksha, I request you to stay on with us. In fact, we will play out that reaction from Nasir Hussain as well in just a bit. But before that, let's get a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP joining us on the broadcast this afternoon. Good afternoon, Shehzad. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Even before Prime Minister Modi could arrive in the United States of America, two reactions have come from the Congress party. One from Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who is now raking up the Manipur issue, suggesting PM does not have the time to go to Manipur but has gone to the US. And then we have Mr. Nasir Hussain saying this jhappi puppy diplomacy is not really going to work. Your response?
First of all, Congress has made it its habit to do vote bank ki rajniti over Rashtra Niti, and to politicize even those issues of external affairs which are usually issues on which all political parties come together. Now, Congress party must know that Manipur issue has happened many times in the past. At that time, forget the Home Minister visiting Manipur. Nobody even laid a statement in Parliament, and at that time the Prime Ministers used to go on foreign trips. So were they wrong? Were they wrong when they went on the visits and the bilateral visits and other issues and foreign affairs? And today, this is a very significant trip that is taking place between India and US. It's a very significant visit. It's going to have the meeting of Quad. It's going to have bilateral meetings with Japan, with US, with Australia. So only those people who are on the side of the countries that are actually having a problem are now opposing. I can understand that somebody who has a Chinese agenda would oppose. So is the Congress party opposing because they are the torchbearers of Chinese agenda? Because we know they have taken chanda from China and they do dhanda with China. So is that the reason why they are opposing it? You know, there has to be a limit as to how much we can do Rajniti over issues of Rajniti.
Sir, That's an important point that you have raised. Requesting you to please stay on with us. We have Pramod Tiwari also now joining us on the broadcast. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. The question that the BJP is asking is why always, rake up the issue of Manipur, or why always bring politics when it comes to issues like Prime Minister's official visit as the Prime Minister of the country to the United States of America?
मणिपुर भी तो एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर ही बात कर रहे हैं ना, उनसे पर्सनल कैपेसिटी में नरेंद्र मोदी तो नहीं कह रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि 1 साल से ज्यादा से आग लगी हुई है। एक बहुत ही संवेदनशील राज्य है, सीमावर्ती राज्य है, और वहां न जाके दुनिया में घूम रहे हैं, सोवियत रूस घूम रहे हैं, यूक्रेन जा रहे हैं और अमेरिका पहुंच गए, पर मणिपुर नहीं जाएंगे। क्यों नहीं मणिपुर जाएंगे? क्या दिक्कत है मणिपुर जाने पे? अपोजिशन उनसे क्या कह रहा है कि जाइए, वहां पीस रिस्टोर होनी चाहिए, वो देश के हित में है। रही दूसरी बात अमेरिका जाने की, ठीक है उस सम्मेलन में जाए, लेकिन पिछली बार क्या हुआ था? पिछली बार जाके वहां एक म्यूजिकल फंक्शन किया, और म्यूजिकल फंक्शन करने के बाद वहां कहा अगली बार ट्रम्प सरकार। क्या तमाशा है? हिंदुस्तान की जो विदेश नीति है उसने बहुत स्पष्ट कर रखा है कि किन्हीं भी परिस्थितियों में हम किसी देश के आंतरिक चुनाव में या आंतरिक राजनीति में हस्तक्षेप नहीं करेंगे। ये डिविएशन क्यों है? और अगर डिविएशन है तो ऑपोजिशन की ये ड्यूटी है, पायस ड्यूटी है, टू रेज द क्वेश्चन।
Okay.
We are doing this in the interest of the country.
Okay, Pramod Tiwari, fair point. I will get the BJP to respond to that in just a bit. Viewers, as we were discussing earlier, it's not just Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge of the Congress party. In fact, another Congress leader has spoken about Prime Minister's visit to the US, and this time we're talking about Nasir Hussain, who says that Jappi Pappi diplomacy is not going to work. Let's listen in.
I'm joined by Congress MP Nasir Hussain. Sir, Prime Minister Modi is going to be in US today. A lot of opposition leaders are saying every time he goes, something does not concrete happen. What do you have to say?
See, generally we don't comment on Prime Minister's foreign visit. But as an Indian, I do expect that something comes out of each visit and something is benefited to our country. Except Jappi and Pappi diplomacy will not work.
And Shehzad Poonawalla and Pramod Tiwari continue to be with us for more on this. Shehzad, firstly, your response to what Mr. Nasir Hussain said, and also the point that Mr. Pramod Tiwari is making, that, the issue in Manipur has been going on for quite some time, but Prime Minister has not visited. As the opposition, it is the duty of the Congress party to raise these issues as well.
I'll answer one by one. First of all, Nasir Hussain comes from the stable of Chanda Dhanda diplomacy. They used to take China ka chanda, then do China ka dhanda, and now also they have China ka agenda. So that's why Chanda Dhanda झंडा वाले लोग ऐसे ही बोलेंगे। बात मणिपुर के विषय में आदरणीय प्रमोद तिवारी जी से पूछिए कि 93 और 97 में मणिपुर में उस समय गृह मंत्री, तो क्या गृह मंत्री राज्य, उन्होंने टेबल भी नहीं किया एक स्टेटमेंट, और उस समय पर भी आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री की कई सारी विदेश यात्राएं हुई। तो क्या वो कह रहे हैं कि उस समय के तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्रियों की जो विदेश यात्राएं थी, चाहे वो नरसिम्हा राव की थी, चाहे फिर उसके बाद मनमोहन सिंह 2011 में थी, वो सारी गलत थी? पहली बात। दूसरी बात, मणिपुर का विषय जो है, क्या वो अमेरिका में जाके उठाना है क्या? तीसरी बात, मैं इनसे इतना पूछना चाहता हूं कि आज जिस प्रकार से राजनीतिकरण किया जा रहा है और कह रहे हैं कि हम लोग ट्रम्प सरकार, तो डीके शिव कुमार कमला हैरिस की रैली में गए थे
जी।
वीडियो भी आया है वो कमला हैरिस की रैली में गए।
Okay, let's get the Congress party to respond to what you are saying, Shehzad. प्रमोद तिवारी जी, आप किस तरह से जवाब देंगे? क्योंकि हमने कई बार देखा है जब भी प्रधानमंत्री कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, खास करके एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री, इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स आते हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता कि एक झप्पी पप्पी डिप्लोमेसी की बात करके हम अपने ही देश को जो है क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि विश्व भर में तो इंडिया का अभी स्टेटस भी बढ़ रहा है कितनी चीजों को लेकर, और उसके दौरान क्या इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स ठीक हैं?
मैं बहुत साफ कहना चाहता हूं पूनावाला जी से कि वो याद करें, मणिपुर प्रधानमंत्री की यात्रा हुई थी, एक चीज। दूसरी, क्या ऐसी स्थिति आई थी इस सड़कों पर महिलाओं का बलात्कार किया जाए? क्या कभी इतनी कैजुअलिटी मणिपुर के इतिहास में सेक्टर वेज जो कुछ हुआ है ऐसा कभी हुआ था? तीसरी बात, प्रधानमंत्री से हम अगर कहते हैं एक प्रांत जल रहा है, आप जाएं, आपकी शख्सियत बड़ी है, आप प्रधानमंत्री पद पर हैं, आपकी अपील, आपका कहना शायद लोगों को वायरिंग फैक्ट्री के लिए देश हित में होगा। तो अगर विपक्ष ये नहीं करेगा तो करेगा क्या? रही दूसरी बात, ये तो एक इंटरनेशनल नॉर्म से किसी प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बारे में हमें बता दें। मेरी याददाश्त में, मुझे भी तो 45 साल से मैं इलेक्टेड पॉलिटिक्स में हूँ, नहीं रहा है कि कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर जाके वहां पे एक कार्यकर्ता के तहत नारा लगाए, अगली सरकार ट्रम्प सरकार, और ट्रम्प हार गए। उसका असर क्या पड़ा? बाइडेन के 4 साल के शासनकाल में हम क्यों पार्टी बने? देश हित में तो नहीं है ये। तो मैंने एक एक करके सारी बातें कह दी। जरा मुझे बता दें, कभी देश का कोई प्रधानमंत्री जाके, मैं नहीं जानता जिनकी बात कर रहे हैं कौन इंडिविजुअल कर।
ओके, क्विक रिस्पॉन्स शहजाद पूनावाला, देन आई हैव टू वाइंड अप दिस डिस्कशन।
देखिए आदरणीय प्रमोद तिवारी जी, मुझे एक ऐसा उदाहरण बता दें जहां पर नेता प्रतिपक्ष देश की दुश्मन इल्हान उमर जैसी व्यक्ति के साथ खड़े हो जाए और फोटो खिंचवाए, जिसको खुद।
चलिए अब बाकी मुद्दों को इसमें नहीं लाते हैं।
इल्हान उमर से फोटो खिंचवाने का काम किसी नेता को।
Okay, gentlemen. Okay, gentlemen, I'm completely out of time, but I appreciate both of you for joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective.